Hey guys, Mongo here. Update on what's going on in crypto. So it is Sunday and meme coins seem to be running hard. So I did mention Wolf earlier on. I didn't even find it until we're starting a bull flag here. So I got in there. Roughly $8 million market cap, currently sitting at 17.4 million, and it's probably going to run higher. And I find it interesting that Wolf has like a third of the followings that Brett does, and Brett's just getting started. But I'll get to Brett in a second. It's hard to give projections on meme coins because they don't know where they're going to go in the short term. But once they get traction, they're going to run. So if you don't know, both the Wolf here and Brett are the cartoon characters along with Pepe. So these are all just playing off the Pepe meme. Pepe is pumping like crazy. It's now, I think, behind Shiba Inu in terms of meme coins in the market cap spectrum. It's what, a 2 or 3 billion. That's a what, 1.5 billion maybe? I forget. Maybe they're up to 3 now in terms of Pepe. So it's going well. So you can see here, Brett. Also, I'll get to that in a second. It's up 35,000% in a day. But again, it launched like 8 hours ago. So there's nothing I can do to advise you here. It is what it is. It's a gamble, but it's on a sector that's pushing. So next you have Brett. This is the 5 minute. Let's do that. So good time to, again, Brett's tiny. It's just under 2 million. I did DCA in somewhere in this range. I'm actually underwater at the moment, but again, this is a meme coin. It's a gamble. You don't know, but looks like this is going to be a nice little W pattern if we are going to break out. Liquidity seems to be locked, which is nice. So yeah, Brett is all these on the deck screeners. What I would recommend looking at if you want to get into these, because you can go down here, you can find the contract addresses, you can plug those into Uniswap for swapping purposes. The old days of Uniswap, you actually had to do like setting your gas slippage of like 6 to 10% or some crazy numbers. Now they do auto slip, so the algorithm / AI will automatically find the cheapest slippage for you, even if it's 1%, 2%, 6%, 20%. It doesn't matter. They'll get you to buy, and it's relatively quickly. Even though you are paying a small premium now, I think it's like another 0.25% increase in their fees structure. So otherwise, you get there like a DEX aggregator, like 1inch or something else that is your preferred method. That's fine. They probably have it as well. Running over to Pulse Chain ecosystem. Let's see. We are slowly fading, so good time to buy. Somebody else decided to buy $10,000 worth. Smart cookie. Not much to say. Until we hit our targets, I'm not really going to continue to talk much about it. I'm holding my bags for another 12 months or more, so I'm not really, I'll let you know what's happening with me. But Pulse Chain, not much to talk about. All right, PLSX, let's see. Again, same thing, not much to talk about. We're holding some fib levels. Still have a target up here at 1138. Currently sitting at 40. So you'll drop a 0 to get up there. 40's 7562. Inc. Still sitting above my target, so I'll have to redo this one. So I'll just get rid of that one. So it's the only one that's hit a target I was based on its bull flag. It's also the smallest market cap out of the whole bunch. So I will redo these fibs here later. Just wanted to give you guys a quick update. And then finally, Fetch AI is bouncing, which is nice. Excuse me. Wanted to hold the 618, which we did. So 270. Excuse me, 270, not 170. I told somebody 170. But we are getting a rejection currently, or having a hard time getting past the $2.83 mark, which is the value area high of the range. So I should see like a back test. Let's take a look here. Yeah, so this should bounce. Even if they come back down and hit the 618 one more time here at 171, it'd be a good buy opportunity for me. I did not have time to long this with the church this morning, so it is what it is. I'll see if I can't get in here. Keep in mind this could be a head and shoulders pattern, but I think it's more of a consolidation bull flag. So we'll wait to see. If we can get back above the 295 mark, it'll invalidate any potential short-term head and shoulders pattern. And a head and shoulders pattern will put you back down here at the value area low of like 249. All right, moving on to band protocol. Band, we're still pushing higher, slow grind. Band is very much like, I'll get to AVAX in a second, but you have like these inverted head and shoulders patterns. So let's just get a really quick eyeball measurement. Here's your neckline. And then drop it down to here. Pull it back up to the neckline. And that's roughly speaking about where you have a breakout target in the near term. There you go. 275 is your near-term target. You have your left shoulder, your head, your right shoulder, and then it's going to break out. So slow grind upwards, just like most other altcoins that are underappreciated. This thing is just grinding. It's beautiful. So that's that. AVAX, same thing. I drew this up for somebody else in our Discord. Back testing the bull flag we broke out of. Shoulder, head, shoulder, breakout targets up here at 50.36. So we'll see a retest. If you can get back above 43.62-ish, you're probably going to re-challenge the stronger high here and get back above that. We're going to run to 50. So it all going to depend on Bitcoin here. Where is Bitcoin going to take us? Bitcoin looks really strong. So a lot of stuff outside of the meme coins is kind of just grinding its way slowly, waiting for Bitcoin to make a decision. If Bitcoin pumps, something else probably going to pump with it. But keep in mind, historically speaking, anytime we have a rotation into meme coins, it's usually the last rotation until it goes back into Bitcoin. So I'm not saying this market's going to be the same as the last two market cycles, but usually it's Bitcoin, Ethereum, then all the major altcoins, then the micro caps and meme coins are last. So we're hitting the micro caps and meme coins now. So you have meme coins pumping. So you may get 1 to 2 weeks out of these meme coin pumps, and then it's probably going to rotate back into Bitcoin. Historically speaking, if that follows history, it could just do its own thing. I don't know. I'm just trying to give you based off of what has happened in the past. That's our only rule of thumb. Let's look at Ethereum. Ethereum, I like what I see. It's really just grinding in a nice range. Got a strong low and a weak high. That's nice. I like to see that. Let's go back to here and pull this range. Yeah, beautiful. You're holding the value area low of this range. Yeah, this is going to pump. So Ethereum may lead the way this week. We'll have to wait and see. It's kind of just really consolidating for Bitcoin to do its thing. Let's go back and look a closer look at Bitcoin real quick. Yeah, I like Bitcoin too. Bitcoin already broke out, retested its value area low, and it's moving higher. So this is going to, Bitcoin and Ethereum should lead the entire market pushing up. Let's go back to Ethereum here and see where we are on more of the macro scale. Perfect. We're consolidating right under the 786, which I was concerned about getting a rejection from. Now we're just bull flagging, so we're going to break. So my near-term target's $4,500, which isn't that far away, really, if you look at it. We're up here at 15%. Money flow is super strong for Ethereum. Money flow is still increasing for Bitcoin. This is just so bullish, guys. It's not even funny. I can't tell you how exciting it is. Even AVAX still maintaining pretty thick money flow. Band protocol, same thing, thick money flow. Let's look at FET. Thick money flow. Yeah, everything's thick, guys. So I like what I see. Everything but the hockey stick. So that ought to do it. So nothing I say is financial advice. Best of luck. You want to find me, head over to Crypto Blackwall on Twitter and the Blackguard Discord. Thanks, guys.